Welcome, kids. Are you ready to have fun while learning how to speak and understand English better? English help us talk to new friends, understand cartoon and books, and you can share our thoughts with the world. Don't worry if you make mistake. We are here to learn, laugh, and grow together. Let's start our English adventure and become confident little star, little speaker.
What is your name?
My name is Akansha Sahu.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
What is your school name?
My school name is Sakajil Plehum.
What is your friend's name?
My friends' name are Sangabi, Dadania, and Mary Catherine.
Which class do you read?
I study in UKG.
How you go to school?
I am going to school by bus.
Sing a English rhymes.
Now, English rhyme. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little eyes up, open wide. 1 little head goes side to side.
Sing a Hindi rhymes.
Hindi rhymes. Sushiara ni dori vaagi. Sushiara ni dori vaagi. इधर उधर बहा छुपती जाती बिल्ली मौसी दांत लगाए बट चूहिया को पकड़ न पाए.
Excellent. You are doing good. Do you know day of the week?
Yes, I do. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Very good. Now tell me month of the year.
Yes, I do. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. You are answering everything. Do you know fingers name?
Yes, I do. Thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger.
Can you tell me some of your body parts name?
Eyes, nose, lip, mouth, ear, tongue, hand, leg, stomach, face, head, eye, mouth.
You are really doing good. Can you count 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now you pronounce alphabets A to Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Tell me 5 sense organs.
Eye to see, nose to hear, tongue to taste, nose to smell, skin to smell.
Tell me planets' name.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
When you want to enter the class, what do you say?
Good morning. May I come in, teacher?
When someone gives you something, what do you say?
Thank you.
When you ask for something, what do you say?
Please.
When you make a mistake, what do you say?
Sorry.
Thank you for watching. This channel is for kids learning and education. For such more video, please like, share, subscribe.
Like my video. Thank you for watching.